In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put an image in Tradingview. If you're looking to personalize your charts with images or just want to add a splash of flair to your trading environment, you've come to the right place. Adding images can be particularly useful for annotating charts or making your analysis more visually appealing. Let's start at the beginning, which is pretty straightforward. First, open your web browser and head over to Tradingview's website. Tradingview is a widely used charting platform known for its user-friendly interface and robust features. Once you're on the site, make sure you're logged into your account to access all the available features. Now, direct your attention to the top menu where you'll find something called Supercharts. Click on it. Supercharts offer a range of tools and aesthetics that can make your charting experience both powerful and enjoyable. If you're like most traders, you spend a lot of time staring at charts, so a visually pleasing setup is essential. Next, we'll pinpoint the text section. On your chart interface, locate the text icon, usually represented by a capital T. Hover over the text icon and you'll see an arrow. Go ahead and click on that arrow. This action will reveal additional options that are not visible initially. Once the submenu appears, look for the image option. Selecting this will switch you over to the functionality you need to incorporate images into your charts. Clicking Image is your gateway to bringing visual elements into your Tradingview workspace. Now you're ready for the main event, uploading your desired image. A window will pop up allowing you to select an image file from your computer. Whether it's a logo, a note, or a chart annotation, choose the image that best fits your needs. Double check the file type and size, as these may have to meet specific requirements or limitations imposed by the platform. After your image is uploaded, it's not set in stone. Click to highlight the image, which allows you to edit it according to your preference. You'll find options to resize, reposition, or even add text annotations. Customizing the image helps in aligning it better with your chart's layout and your intended message or design. And there you have it. You've successfully added an image to your Tradingview chart. Feel free to repeat the process to add more images, should you wish to do so. Leveraging images on Tradingview can make your analysis more engaging and easier to reference when sharing insights with others. Hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your Tradingview charting experience. Thanks for tuning in.